The country is bracing for what is expected to be a general election date announcement by Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness on Sunday. TVJ News sat down with General Secretaries of the Jamaica Labour Party and the People's National Party. Here's Jamila Maitland with that report.
It's a strong possibility that he bring the whole party organized to halfway on Sunday would give it, certainly indicate the date. But I can't give the date, I don't know where it is. It's his privilege, so even if I knew, I would breach it.
General Secretary of the Jamaica Labour Party, Dr. Horace Chang, on the JLP mass meeting scheduled for Halfway Tree Square in St. Andrew on Sunday, August 10. Dr. Chang, during an exclusive interview with TVJ's On the Campaign Trail, could only say a major announcement is expected to be made.
I expect the Prime Minister, the date for election, the Prime Minister has preserved. And he has a certain limit within the Constitution. He will gonna accept that limit in the Constitution. So I still couldn't say the date because he's holding that to his chest, that's his privilege. So even if he announces on Sunday, I can't say the date where it will be.
Do you think the element of surprise is lost now? Because as government, you retain that ability to call the election, and now with the time.
Yeah, but I don't have a problem with the government having the flexibility, but we try to serve a full term. Because one of the challenges you face when we are going forward to the country with an achievement performance program, and you have to give yourself time to achieve enough of the visibility to become,
Under the law, the Prime Minister has the discretion to call the election within 5 years. Within this time, the Prime Minister can dissolve the Parliament and advise the Governor-General about the election date. The Prime Minister can also stay the full 5 years because Parliament automatically dissolves 5 years after the first parliamentary sitting after winning the election. That was on September 15, 2020. Over the years, however, Prime Ministers have usually stayed within that period. However, the law gives the Prime Minister up to 3 months after the first date of the parliamentary sitting to call the election. That could take us up to December. General Secretary of the People's National Party, Dr. Dayton Campbell, says it's unlikely that he'd go that far.
I don't think so. As much as the Minister of Constitutional Legal Affairs was provocative in her remarks, I don't believe so. I think it would send the wrong signal for the government. It's already sending the wrong signal, the fact that they haven't been able to call the elections already. Because when you have the final decision about calling it, you look for a window that is beneficial to you. So the fact that they have not called it suggests that they have not seen a window that is beneficial to them. So I think to go beyond the time period now, I think that would cause us to win more seats than we'd be winning today if they were to do that.
According to Dr. Chang, the election could have been long before if it hadn't been for COVID-19 and to a lesser extent, Hurricane Beryl.
If we had implemented the 2020 budget read by Nigel Clark, we would have maybe called the election already. Because a lot of the things we are doing now would have been executed early on. Right after they did the budget, COVID hit us, and that knocked away 3 fiscal years.
Either way, Dr. Campbell says it gives the PNP more time to prepare.
The longer this campaign has gone on, the better it has gotten for us in terms of our organization. And I believe if it goes to September, it will get better.
As for the public,
what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? If you call it now, it's over. If you call it a morning, it's over. And if you don't call it, it's over same way.
You know so much new bus Andrew bring on the road for me. You know so much nice bus. I can plug in all my phone. I charge and plug in all my bus. Plug in all the phone in the bus and this side of the inner AC. So I'm not feeding in a bus and a coaster bus and drop in a bottle the whole back of road you feel pain. And that's why I rate him. Cause a good Prime Minister of Jamaica, you understand? Yeah, AC in the bus, them have all first aid kit up there. So
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.